Cherie for Just Nailed It. We have got us a late package from Maniology. 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 Sorry for my singing. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Maniology. We got a Manny and Me monthly club. Where do we start? Where do we start? Here's your how-tos, your steps 1 through 4. And here is our card. I do not get the full caboodle, which gives you your 2 polishes. So, step into the dreamy world of vintage romance with January's Croette, Manny and Me box. This monthly collection captures the soft feminine charm of Croette aesthetics with intricate designs with delicate details, with perfect for nails that are equal part flirty and timeless. I say, Turn up the charm with 2 new subscriber exclusive plates. MX M143 brings the Croette vibe to life with dainty bows, pearls, ornate mirrors, lacy details, sweet, what's this word? Motifs, sweet motifs, like cherries and tiny bunnies. Aww, I'm gonna dig that. MX M144 turns up the charm with full nail patterns of minty florals, lace details, and classic gingham. What is that? Alongside delicate ribbons and strawberries. That would be cool. This design makes it easy to create intricate layered looks like Chanel. Intricate looks that channel the softness and elegance of Croette trend. I'm not sure about that word. Subscribers will also receive 2 early accessible polishes that perfectly complement the sleeve, which I do not get with this package. I don't get full caboodle. I get the mini. So we will skip that. Romanticize your everyday with this month's bonus gift, a set of 3D color changing heart nail decals. Okay, let's just jump in. We gotta jump in because I gotta see these decals now. Let's just jump in. I love these cloth bags. I truly do. These aren't them. These are hearts. Oh. Wait a minute, I gotta rearrange my desk a little bit here. Because these are not color changing heart decals. But I am gonna plug my light in and see if these hearts change under the light. Shift from clear to pink to red under UV light and enchanting interactive. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at, oh, that is cute. Now that is adorable. Oh my god, look at that. Miscellaneous 147 in case you want to go to Maniology.com and purchase this. My code. Yes, I have a code for Maniology. JNI10. JNI all caps 10. JNI 10. Again, JNI10 is my code for Maniology. Look at this. Let me stick them back in the lamp. Oh my gosh. Look at them. And let's see, this is the sticker for the month. What does it say? Color speaks louder. I gotta take a picture of this to send it to Kiki. I gotta do it right now. I got to. She is gonna dig this. Where is Kiki? Shaboom, shabang. Shaboom, shabang. Shaboom, shabang. She's gonna dig that. Here is our 2 plates. We will check these out now. Oh my god, I am so digging these. Oh my god, I gotta do it again. I gotta do it again. Color changing pearls. Oh my god. Oh my god. We gotta put those in the fridge for another hot second. I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm like a little kid in a candy store. I'm terribly sorry, but look at those. Those are so pretty. Okay, 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 4. I'm actually at 1, 4, 3. Look at this plate with the bows and the frames. Oh, look at how sweet it is. There's the strawberries and the cherries. The pearls. Where'd you go, Pearl? Oh, then it's got the... Oh my gosh. Okay, then it's got the full nail over here. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. So sweet. Oh, I see me using this within the next week or so. Truly, truly, truly. Oh my god. Oh. Let's do these one more time. Oh no más. One more time. Or say time in Spanish. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So pretty. So this is my Manny and Me box for January. I thought it was canceled, but evidently I'm wrong. Oh, I'm so grateful. So grateful. This January's Manny and Me box is the cat's meow. 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 These are just the cat's meow, just these alone. These plates are stupendous. With the bows and the bun. Oh, here's a bunny right here. Some little toys, some cherries, some strawberries. Oh, what does this say? A little bit of dramatic in my Croat. I don't understand Croat. I don't understand what it means. Somebody in the comments, please dip in and tell me what that means. Colors speak louder. I'm into that because I dress like Rainbow Bright and I speak volumes. So here we are with the end of our video. Sorry I've been so loud. My son's probably gonna yelling at me through the walls. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of... Oh, here's my son texting me now. Uh-oh. Yeah, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow morning. Neither one of us remember where it's at. This isn't good. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my January Manny and Me box. Manny and Me, Maniology. Remember, my code is JNI10. Use it at checkout to save yourself 10% off your purchases. Colors speak volumes. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It is always free. Click all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything that is important that flies across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.